gentlemen, this is Andean Fusion. They came to San Antonio approximately 20 years ago from the mountains of Peru. Well, we got lucky, folks, because on Sunday evenings the mall closes at 6, and they normally shut down fairly early, so it was a nice treat. It was so neat. Last week ago Friday, I had a private charter for a wedding party, and as we came into the lagoon, just as we started in, they started playing I Will Always Love You. I thought, wow, perfect timing. Now, San Antonio got its name because June 13, 1691, there was a group of